Hello, followers of Immigrants living in El Hierro in Canary Island, Spain. My people, tori dey for paper. E get one tori wey I see for the social media site just now, my people. Na say me I scatter am, make for reach everybody. This one na good news to all these immigrants wey be say that they stay for this area wey dem dey call El Hierro for Canary Island for Spain. The good news be say the government, the authority, don approve say make dem create emergency hospital for the area so that any immigrant wey be say e no sound, dem go dey treat am. You wey be say you dey follow my update, I first bring this update recently when be say all those health workers dem, the association, dem come raise alarm say many of the immigrants for the area say dem no dey sound and dem no gree dey take care of them just because of say good hospital no dey for the area. So now the government don approve say dem need to create emergency hospital for the area make dem dey take care of all those immigrants. As I see this tori, my people, e come make my baby dey scratch me. Now say me I scatter am, make for reach everybody. As una know, my people, na health na im be this life. No matter how you happy reach, if e happen say you no get good health, say you no dey okay, you no dey sound, you no go feel happy. That is why as human being, you need to take care of yourself. If you no dey okay, say you no dey sound, you need to go hospital so that you go dey sound, make you dey happy. According to the tori, my people, Canary Island Regional Parliament approved creation of emergency hospital in El Hierro. The Canary Island Parliament has accepted a proposal by MPs to create an emergency hospital in El Hierro to care for immigrants. This small island is home to the vast majority of exiles who have landed in the Espana archipelago. So this one na good news to all those immigrants. Anyone wey be say e no dey sound now, dem fit dey carry am dey go this hospital, dey treat am. As I see this tori, my people, e come make my baby dey scratch me more. Now I say me I scatter am, make for reach everybody. You wey be say you dey watch this tori, anything wey you see, no forget to leave am for the comment section. Like, share, make for reach everybody. I don go.